Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. I post a lot of fashion related videos as well as shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified each time I post something new. In today's video, I want to talk about my updated luxury wish list of 2020. I cannot believe it's been 7 months already since I last filmed it, and I think I will be filming the luxury wish list videos every 6 months. This way I can really stay focused on what I want to get, what I truly love, instead of going off track. And I tend to do that pretty often. I tend to buy so many unnecessary things that I just see and jump on like an impulse buy. I know it is not healthy, and over time I accumulate things that I don't really love and I really want to stay focused. So hopefully this wish list videos will help me, and also my wish lists, my actual lists of things, will help me stay on track. I have decided to dedicate half of this video to talk about the things that I've already ticked off my list, and then during the second half of the video I will be talking about the updated luxury wish list. It is not a lot of things and it is way smaller than the previous one. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna have it linked up here and in the description box so you can check it out. But let's start with the items that I have ticked off my wish list because I'm so excited about them. So let's start from the very beginning. I think I posted the luxury wish list video back in November, probably end of November, and then actually right before Christmas I bought the first item that was on my list, and that is the Chanel 19 bag. Here she is. She's so perfect and I still cannot believe it is mine. It is so beautiful and shiny, and the gray color is just my favorite at the moment. I'm so obsessed with it, and I see more and more bags in this color, and I want all of them because I'm literally obsessed with this color. So this was like a Christmas gift. I filmed an unboxing and a review video on this bag. So again, if you're interested, everything will be in the description box. Now let's talk about the next two handbags. I bought them on the 1st of February, so about a month and a half later. I know it is a little bit excessive to buy two handbags on the same day, but this was a great chance for me to get them and get a tax refund. I found them in Courchevel. I knew I was going to get both of them, so I decided to just buy both because they had both in stock, and it was so difficult that time to find this because they were completely sold out everywhere. And I'm talking about the Dior Book Tote over here and the 30 Montaigne. They're not in exact colors as I wanted them. So I wanted originally the 30 Montaigne in blue oblique and the Book Tote in burgundy oblique, but they had the opposites, and I'm actually glad I got them in these colors because for the larger tote I think it's better if it's a little bit muted, like this navy color. And for an everyday crossbody bag, this burgundy is perfect. I can also wear it all year round, winter, summer, doesn't matter. It goes really well with my coats and winter jackets, as well as with summer outfits, with summer t-shirts and dresses. So yes, these are the two next handbags that I picked up this year from my wish list. And I have one more handbag. I know it's a lot, guys, but I was offered, and there was a little bit of drama going on around this purchase, but I was offered the Constance bag. Again, if you want to watch the drama part, it's going to be in the description box. But I bought this beautiful Hermes Constance in size 24 like I wanted, but I want it in the electric blue color, which is my favorite color. It came in the red one, and when I saw the red one I fell in love because I don't really have a lot of red handbags, and I thought it will always be a classic color, and I thought it would be a perfect pop of color whenever I want to wear all black or all white or all blue outfits. This will be a nice pop of color, and I love that it is in this beautiful Epsom leather. It is very hard wearing, resistant to scratches, so this is the perfect handbag with the gold hardware. It looks so beautiful and so classy and just so elegant in my personal opinion. So yes, this is the last handbag that I ticked off my list. Then I also had Chanel hoop earrings on my wish list and the brooch. I think the brooch that says Chanel. That one was impossible to find. I could not find this brooch anywhere. I could only find the hairpin, but I wasn't interested in that. I prefer brooches. I don't really wear a lot of accessories on my hair. So instead I bought this brooch when we went to London during New Year's Eve. Yes, it was for New Year's. We went to London and we were flying through Heathrow, and I found this brooch in Heathrow. I got a good deal on it. It was a really nice price, so I've decided to get it. Honestly, this is more classic than the Chanel one that said Chanel, and I love that it has a little bit of leather. It's just so beautiful in the champagne gold hardware. It can go really well with pretty much everything except for the t-shirts, because it's really a statement piece and it's quite large, so I'm not sure if it will look nice on a t-shirt, but I love putting this on my blazers, on my jackets, even on hats. I am very happy this was an alternative brooch to the one I originally wanted, and I do not regret it at all. And for the hoop earrings, I actually got these earrings I'm wearing right now, and I prefer them so much more than the hoop ones. So when I was writing my wish list, I thought that I love the hoop earrings, and I do still love the way they look. Don't get me wrong, they're beautiful, but at the same time I realized that I have 2 hoop earrings and I never wear them. So what was the point of getting a Chanel? Whether it's Chanel or not, I just wasn't gonna wear them. And I saw these ones again in Heathrow Airport, and I've decided to go for them because they're so me, so beautiful. Like, those earrings, they weren't reflecting my personality, my style, but these ones really do. You can't really see them, and they're just there. I can style them with so many things, with my casual outfits, the ones I wear all the time on a daily basis. So I decided to go for this instead, and I am honestly so happy because I've been wearing them a ton. And now let's talk about the updated luxury wish list. I don't have too many things on it, but most of them are jewelry pieces or home decor pieces. So let's start with the very first one. The first one is the Van Cleef set, the Alhambra set. I'm still not sure which one exactly. I'm leaning towards the one with the mother of pearl. I'll insert the pictures, and I want the earrings and the necklace as a set. I love having sets. It's just so much easier, and you don't have to think about the necklace whenever you wear certain earrings, and I really want that set. That's number 1 on my wish list. The second 2 items on my wish list are again a set from Van Cleef, but this set is extremely expensive. There is no way I'll be able to get it this year, but probably in the future, but it will always stay on my wish list until I actually get it. And I'm talking about the bracelet and the ring from Perle collection, and it is so gorgeous with the diamonds. It looks so sophisticated, it looks so beautiful. I love it to bits. This collection is my favorite from Van Cleef and our pals. I just love it so much, but again, the price point is quite expensive. I also have 2 handbags on my wish list. I'm saying 2. There is one that I need to add to my collection to complete it, and then there is the second one that I'm currently eyeing. It's the new one from Louis Vuitton. It's called Nano Sac Plat, I think, and it means the flat bag. It's the mini shopping tote. It's just this tiny. You can wear it crossbody, and it is so adorable. It reminds me of the Evelyn TPM, which is so cute. It looks so great during summer, and you can pre-order one right now. They're gonna release them probably in August. That's what I was told in the store, and I asked my SA if she could order one for me, and she said yes, I will probably be able to order one for you, and I'm just so excited and I cannot wait to get it. So I'm probably, if she orders one, I'm probably getting that handbag. And the second bag on my wish list, you probably all know which one I'm talking about. It's the Lady Dior from the ABC collection. ABC collection is my favorite because you can decorate it with the little charms that looks so cute, and I also love that it has the flap closure instead of the zip one. The zip one, it's just a little bit too tight, it's hard to get in and out, and it scratches your arm pretty bad. That's what I heard from people. I also like the size better. It is not too big, so it won't look bulky, but it is so cute. And I'm still not sure about the color. Really love the nude one. It's not really nude, it's like dusty rose color, something like that. I'm really bad with describing colors, as you may know, so I'll just insert a picture. I also really like the black one because it is a classic, but I'm not sure if I need another black handbag in my collection, so we'll see. I'm still not sure. And there is another pink color. It is a brighter pink color, and I just love it so much. I think it's just such a beautiful pink shade. I am missing a pink handbag in my collection, so maybe I should get it in the pink. I'm still not sure. It's like this bubblegum pink. I'll also insert a picture. So that is the second handbag on my wish list. The next two pieces on my wish list are from Cartier, and they're both from Juste un Clou collection. And the first one is the Thing ring from Juste un Clou in rose gold. I have a bracelet in yellow gold, and I would love to add a ring as well as a set, because I have a love ring in Thing version and I want to stack them together on one finger. I think they will look so cute together. And then I also want a regular ring. I am not sure which gold, probably yellow gold, but the only reason I'm not buying them is because I'm not sure about how they wear. I know you have to get a size bigger than your regular size because it can dig into your skin, and I'm just really scared of that. I don't want it to be painful to wear the ring, so that's why I'm a little bit hesitant for the moment, but I definitely want to try them out. I definitely want to start with at least the thinner one, and then if I like it, I will be adding a regular ring as well. The next item is the Louis Vuitton Agenda in size GM. I am not even sure if I need it, but I feel compelled to it. I want to get it because I have so many friends who has this agenda and they rave about it. They say how amazing it is and how easy it is to organize that agenda and have everything in one place. I mean, right now I have this cute little notebook where I keep all my notes for YouTube and stuff, so I'm still not sure if I am gonna get it, but most probably I will sometime in the future. It is on my wish list because I think it is really beautiful and you can take a lot of cute pictures, and it is actually useful. I have the mini one and it is completely useless. It was a complete waste of money because it is so tiny and I cannot fit anything in there. I cannot write this tiny. I'm sorry, my handwriting is large. I need more space, more paper. That one just doesn't work for me, but I think the GM size will be perfect. It's the perfect notebook size, so I'm not sure, but hopefully I'll be able to find it and get it. We'll see. And now I only have the home decor pieces on my wish list. The first one is the Chanel pillow. I think their pillows are so beautiful and so luxurious, and it's Chanel, you know. So I really want that. If we move, I think I will get rid of all the furniture we have right now and get some nicer quality furniture, and then I will buy the pillow from Chanel to decorate my office or even the living room. We'll see, but this is definitely something I will be buying for my permanent home. Right now we are renting an apartment and I don't want to buy anything expensive because these things can actually get damaged during the transportation. I don't want to risk it. I just want to wait for my permanent place. If we will move anytime soon, I will definitely get it. And the other two pieces are from Hermes, and again it's the pillows. I want to get 2 pillows and a plate, like a blanket. They're so stunning. I know they're pretty simple looking, but the feel, the touch, the look, everything is just so luxurious about the set. So yes, that's, again, I'm gonna have to wait. But this is everything on my wish list. Not too many things, but still quite a lot at the same time. I guess you can never buy enough to satisfy yourself. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!